Hello guys, good morning. Hello guys, good morning. This is Ahmed. Again, I will show you how to make the scheduling automation post, okay, by using your Facebook page. Alright, you just log into your page, okay. For example, my page is Unu Premier, okay, by Ahmed Al Najjar. I'll click on that and then I will log into my page. If you save it somewhere in your desktop or in your page, you can also click on that. Okay, this is my page. So where I'll go in the publishing tools. After that, the page is downloading. Just a moment. Okay, so for example, I have a post. Okay, I would like to create it. So I will just create a post and I will just add in a photo. Okay, example, I would like to add this photo, and then I will write example, uh, this is a gluta whitening capsules, the latest, let's say the latest view of the bot or the latest product in market, let's say for example. Okay, and what I will do right now, I will just click here in this button. Okay, then go below. Oops, I'm sorry. So what I will do, I will click on scheduling post. Okay, click on create post. Just select any desired photo you want of the product. Okay, you can click, just write, for example, the latest version of the origin gluta capsule in example UAE market. Okay, so this is how you can set it up, and then you can just schedule post. Okay, this is how you do the automation. Okay, now the time is example 16 April at 6:48 p.m. So what you can do, okay, this is like a weekend, so you can custom it. Every day you can post, like example, I want to post today at let's say 8 p.m. Okay, and now it's almost quarter to 7. So 8 p.m. today I want to post this post. So what you will do, you're gonna schedule it, and then you can, the publish is done. So what you will do, you will just wait at 8 p.m. and you can see your post. At the moment, if you go to your page, just more here, you will see you don't have a post. If you go to your posts, you will not see the post. This is the latest post, so you will not see it till 8 p.m. today. You can see it. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna do the same scenario for each day. You can select your day and put, for example, every day uh, there is a range of the time. Okay, that's the secret of how they make the page active. So you don't have to do every day. You can do it for entire year if you want. Every day one post. You can do up to 5 posts, 3 to 5 posts. So even you can do 2 posts every day. Doesn't matter. So you can select the timing range, example 1 p.m. to 8 p.m. every day. So this is the range. But nowadays the people will stay like till midnight. So you can select like example 1 p.m. what time they wake up and what time the people will see the Facebook. So this is the time you post. You can post every day 1 or 2 posts of your example your page if it's about lifestyle or it's about fashion, modeling, or if you want to do about like me, like I love products, healthy products, so I will do healthy products. You want to do about anything of your business. You want to sell something, you just uh, do the same thing for entire year. Like you can just uh, example, you just do it regularly every day till you finish this for entire year. Okay, like example for 1 year every day like 365 posts. Okay, so you can do every day till you complete for the 1 year, and then you can rest for entire year. You don't need to do every day a post unless there is something new or new update you want to add. You can just add, and then the Facebook page, the automation will be working for you automatically. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see any new tutorial that will benefit for you. If you think this video is very useful, you can share it, you can like, and so I can be encouraged to download new videos for you as a tutorial. Alright, thank you for watching. If you have any question, please drop below and I will definitely come back to you. Thank you.